Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the door stop on your refrigerator door, be sure to unplug the power cord. Your first step is to detach the top hinge cover. Support the door and use a 5/16" socket or nut driver to unthread the 3 mounting screws securing the hinge. Lift off the hinge and have an assistant help you to remove the freezer door. Now use a 5/16" wrench or nut driver to fully unthread the left side screw securing the center hinge assembly. Loosen the 2 screws on the right. Open the refrigerator door and you can remove the center hinge assembly. Now have the assistant help you to fully remove the refrigerator door and set it on a towel or blanket. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the mounting screw to release the old door stop. Install the new door stop by aligning it on the bottom of the refrigerator door, then thread the mounting screw. With the spacer in place, make sure the hinge pin is properly inserted into the lower hinge bracket. Then reposition the refrigerator door on the hinge pin. Reinsert the center hinge assembly's lower pin into the refrigerator door as you align the assembly under the right side screws. Thread the left side screw. Tighten the right side screws. Make sure the spacer is in place on the center hinge. Then realign the freezer door on the hinge pin. Confirm the spacer is in place, then reposition the top hinge. Thread the screws to secure. Snap on the cover. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.